Okay, here I have a Royal Model 435DX cash register. I just got this today and I can hardly even figure it out. Like, it's not that cumbersome to operate, but figuring out how to actually ring stuff up is what's getting to me. Like, when I do this, for example, $25, when I hit the charge button, it does this. Sorry about that. Roommate came in and said that he was home from cashing, and then he asked me if I wanted a beer. I said, not right now. Anyway, back to this. I got this for $10. I'm going to be ripping that price tag off. But I don't know what most of this shit means. Like, these slash buttons. This pound and insert or pound NS button. I don't understand most of this shit here. But this obviously does that. Oh, come on, piece of shit. And it messes up. Anyway, I already got some of my money in and my golf cart keys. Anyway, yes, I already got it in a way figured out. Like, I figured out how to open it, but oops. And apparently you can't immediately charge $25.33. Like, most of this I don't understand what it's trying to, like, what it's doing. Apparently this means like a check, as in a bank check or something. And I got this because I couldn't get the receipt bar for the, I don't know what the hell this is called. It's a vintage cash register. So I couldn't get the parts for this one. Like, it just barely functions right now. And when I did feed paper through it, it wasn't printing the money right. So I don't know what's going on there. The mechanical nature of that, I don't know if I can fix it. But this, I don't understand. I even got another one in my shed, which is in piss poor shape. I'm gonna see if I can repair it. So yeah, and the other one's electric. Don't know if I can repair it. Extremely heavy. Probably not gonna bring in here because it's so dirty, and really it needs to be it's probably just gonna I'm probably just gonna use it as an attraction. Do not ask me why I say attraction. But when I do something like this, and I don't know what, understand what I'm doing here. If anyone could hit me up with some sort of information, please let me know. Please give me some information. Comment a instruction manual in the comment section if you have to. But I need information. So, tell me how you liked it. Give me whatever kind of information you can give me. And I'll keep y'all up to date with videos. And tell me what you want to see, and I will see what I can do and how I can do it. Until next time, see you later.